What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety. And in this video, we got a new red dot in. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we got a new red dot in. In fact, it's a closed emitter dot. You know, we brought a couple to the channel. You guys requested that we bring this one to the channel. So without further ado, let's head over to the table and unbox it. All right, fam. So here we go. We got the Holosun HE509T RD. RD stands for red. The packaging. Typical Holosun packaging. Here we go. So we got 3 reticles, dot, circle, circle, dot. Then we got 3 modes, auto, manual, lockout. We got the solar panel, the CR1632 battery, and battery tray, 5,000 hours of battery life, 10 daylight and 2 night vision brightness settings. You got memory function, enclosed design, waterproof, and the RMR plate is included. Here we go, so you guys can see that. Let's get inside this packaging. We've had Holosun on the channel before, so we know what we're kind of getting with the packaging. Got the nice solid tray here. Take this off. Got your foam padding. Your Holosun card. Got the manual. Might take a look at that. The silica. Got the cloth. You know Holosun's gonna give you a cloth. Got some screws. Got the RMR plate. Wish this would have came with an MOS plate as well, like the Kraken did. You have your tool here. Last but not least, we got the optic. Give you guys a quick glimpse of it. This thing is nice. As you can see, this is your brightness, up, down. Got your solar panel here, your battery tray here, windage and elevation here. This thing is really, really, really nice. Let's see if we can get this thing cut on. All right, so I got it on. Let me see if I can get this. It's pretty much impossible to get this thing to focus inside the camera, guys. I definitely apologize. Let me try to get it one more time. I could not get that to focus. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing mounted on a firearm so I can let you guys see how it looks. All right, fam. Here we are. We have it on the firearm. This firearm is clear, so you guys can see. We have it on the Glock 19 right here. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's not as high profile as I thought. It really does sit kind of low on this Glock 19. For reference, I have This firearm is clear. I have a Glock 45 here with the HS 407 on here. They pretty much sit at the same height, man. This actually sits a little bit lower because it's flat at the top. Man, this thing looks good. I'm not even gonna lie, this thing looks amazing. So you guys know, this was just a simple unboxing video. Not gonna get too in depth with it. I am gonna take you guys on the next video. I'm gonna take you through my zeroing process to let you know how many rounds it took to zero. Then I'll probably shoot around 500 rounds with this thing, put it through the paces just a little bit. Not a torture test, just put it through the day-to-day paces, because this will be a carry gun, backup range kind of duty, training firearm. So I will put it through the paces with that. Not going to torture test it, do a bunch of dropping and all that, but I will come back during the zeroing process, and then I'll shoot about 500 to 1,000 rounds, depending how I feel that day, through this, just to see how this dot is, man. We know Holosun to make quality products. This thing is well built, I must say. Yes, sir. See, look here. That Holosun 509T. Man, Holosun did their thing with this optic. I'm not even gonna lie. I like the way it looks. I like the way I can get the sight picture very easily. It's not a huge mailbox. It's nice and low profile for the firearms that you use it on. I'm not gonna lie, I can't wait to get that 509T to the range and really put it to the test, man. So I know that's the video you guys are waiting on. Don't worry, it's coming. I'm gonna put it probably through 500 to 1,000 rounds, put it through the paces, and let you guys know what I truly think about it. But on first glance, I really like it. What do you guys think? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Do you have a 509T? If so, let us know what you think about it. Have you tried one out? Do you not use Holosun? I know a lot of people don't like Holosun, but me personally, I like Holosun. It seems like a very quality optic, and I'm not gonna lie, in the closed emitter dot rankings, this one might rank pretty high, man. But like I said, we'll see once we take it to the range and really put it through its paces. Do me a favor, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, check out our website, clarksfirearmtraining.com. It's Dwight, and I'll see you on the next video.